Hi, to manage Google Pay on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, firstly let's unlock the phone and now we would need to find the Google Wallet app, which looks like that. So firstly let's open it and now we can see those tabs. First thing we can do is to tap on this Pay quickly and securely, and here check some on-screen instructions how to use your Google Wallet. After that, you can go this automatically add passes to wallet from Gmail, and here select your Gmail account, and also you got this option to add new one. And also you can add your payment card here. This is the most important in this app. So just take your credit or debit card, point the camera at it and scan it. Or additionally, there is an option to enter details manually. So here you can enter your card's number, date of expiration, your billing address and security code. And after that, the card will be immediately added to your wallet and you'll be able to make contactless payments. Also, we can tap this option, add to wallet. Let's just tap this plus. And here, as you can see, we got the several options which we can add to wallet: payment card, transit pass, loyalty card, gift card, and everything else. Now we can also tap on the circle in this upper right corner, which is actually our Google account. And here we can go in the payment setup, and as you can see, to finish setup we will need to turn on NFC and set up payment cards and also screen lock. So we can turn on NFC by tapping this option, and now it is on. Also, to reach this feature easily, just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, find this and icon, and when it's blue it is enabled. If you tap it again, you'll disable it. And as I said before, don't forget to add your payment card here. I'm not gonna do it in this video because it's a long process, but it's really simple, I promise you. And also, to use Google Wallet, we would need to set screen lock for protection. So you can select pattern, PIN code, password, Face ID, and fingerprint unlock. And after that, we can also go in this payment methods, and here just check the same information. So cards you can add to your wallet. And this tab is also important, password manager. Just go in here and now you can add your password here so you won't forget it. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.